Guys, I was about to go get something to eat, and there was that. Now I'm gonna have to wait until it stops raining to leave to go get something to eat. Right? While we're waiting, I should do a dog review. Right there's my one dog, Winnie. Right there's my dog, Bubba. Right there's my dog, Camo. And I'm begging my mom to give me another dog. And like and comment. Comment if you have a dog. And subscribe if you have 4 dogs or less. Or more. See you guys in the next video. Nice.